You no longer need to be restricted with wired microphones, as the Fifine M6 is a wireless microphone that is going to work in your mobile devices as well as your computer. And just so you're aware, you don't need to be holding the microphone like this, as it will attach to yourself. And I think you'll agree, we get some good audio from it as well. So let's start with the design and build quality. Both the microphone and the receiver are made of plastic and are incredibly lightweight. The receiver comes with a USB-C connection to connect it to a mobile device or your computer. If your computer doesn't have a USB-C port, then you can put a converter on there and connect it to a USB-A port. It also has a USB-C port on the side, which allows you to charge your mobile device whilst it's being used. This also doubles up as a headphone port, so you have the ability to monitor the audio. The microphone comes with a wind filter, a USB-C connector on the bottom to charge it, and a power button on the side where if we hold this down for a few seconds, it will turn it on, and this will automatically connect to the receiver. The power button also doubles up as a mute button, so if you tap this once, a red light will be displayed to say you are muted. We do get some good battery life too, with us getting around 5 to 6 hours from a full charge. This is a microphone test. We've currently got it positioned just above our stomach and a little bit below our chest. This is what it's going to sound like. This is what your microphone is going to sound like. We've got it in the centre of our chest now. This is the audio you can expect. It is now positioned right underneath our chin, attached to the top of our sweater. This is the audio you're going to get. We've got it attached to the top of our sweater. It is more on the angle now, and this is what your audio is going to sound like. We are now holding the microphone like a little TikToker, and I imagine this is where you're going to get the best quality audio from the M6, and this is what it sounds like. We are testing it now as though we are a vlogger. So we're walking in a nice open space. There is some traffic on the road over there, so the microphone may pick a little bit of that up. We do have a little bit of wind as well, but hopefully that wind filter is doing its job and doing it very well. We've now got it attached underneath our t-shirt. This is just to give you an idea of what the audio quality is like without the microphone being on the front, and if it picks up any noise from our t-shirt moving around over the top of the microphone. This is what your microphone is going to sound like. This is using the wind filter. There is a little bit of wind today, so let's pop that wind filter off. And this is what it is going to sound like without the use of the wind filter. And the same as any other microphone that you attach to yourself, you don't really want to be knocking it whilst you're using it, because that will come through on your final recording. We also get ourselves a range of around 65 feet, so we shouldn't be experiencing any dropouts whilst we're recording this, which means it's great if you do need to get yourself some distance from your mobile phone, for example, and still be able to get nice, clear audio. This is what your microphone is going to sound like. We've got it in the centre of our chest now. And this is what the audio sounds like from the inbuilt microphone on our Samsung Galaxy S21. I imagine this is where you're going to get the best quality audio from the M6. And we are close up to the mobile phone now. We are using the inbuilt microphone on our Samsung Galaxy S21.